One more order to learn. Post-order means at every node, we finish both children first, the left subtree and then the right subtree, and we handle the node itself last. Post means after, so the root of the whole tree comes out at the very end. Let's see the sequence. The recursion is the same, but now the value comes last. For any node, we first run post order on the left child, then post order on the right child, and only after both of those do we output the node's own value. The empty node is the base case where we stop. Because a node waits for both its children to finish, the root of the whole tree is printed dead last. This order is exactly what you want when a parent depends on results from its children, like deleting a tree or adding up sizes. On our tree, it gives 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. If the node is empty, we return an empty list and stop. Otherwise, we build the answer as the full post order of the left child, then the full post order of the right child, and finally this node's own value at the end. Left-right self. Let's write post order and run it on the sample tree. The base case first. An empty node returns an empty list, so the recursion stops. Otherwise, the whole left subtree, then the whole right subtree, and this node's value last. Now, let's test it and hit run. There it is, 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. See how the root 1 comes out at the very end because it waits patiently for both of its subtrees to finish first. A single visit goes like this. If the node is empty, stop. Otherwise recurse left, then recurse right, and only then output the node's value. Left, right, self, so the node is always last. Every node is visited once, so it is order n time for n nodes. The extra space is the recursion stack as deep as the tree is tall, so order h, the height of the tree. 3 reminders. First, handle the empty node first so the recursion can stop. Second, the node's value must come after both recursive calls, not just after the left one. And third, post order is your friend whenever a parent needs answers computed from its children first, like freeing a tree or summing up subtree sizes.